Today we'll make a traditional ground liver patties from Finland, Jauhemaksapihvit. I have here about 10 ounces of cow's liver. Make sure that it doesn't have any membrane. Then let's go and chop it up. Well, this is a messy thing, so good idea to have some cover there. But it's easy thing to do with electric mixer like this. Let's see how does it look like now. So it is a bit lighter color. Then we'll need to chop 1 onion. You can even put 1.5 if you like. Then breadcrumbs, onion. Let's mix the whole thing a bit and then let's add spices. This dough doesn't need to be as thick as meatballs, for example. Then white pepper, salt, marjoram. If you don't have, put oregano. And then, surprise, surprise, some brown sugar. Then let's mix the whole thing. I did add a couple of tablespoons of breadcrumbs, even more there. Then let's fry them in butter. Make small patties like this. If you have a lettupannu, like a pan with smaller holes, this is very useful in this to make round ones, but these are quite fine as well. So fry these in butter and then turn them around. You need to squeeze them a little bit to be thinner to cook evenly also in the middle. Then fry both sides and these are ready to eat. You just need some lingonberry jam. And I recommend also potato mash, goes very well with these. Thank you for watching and please share if you like the recipe.